Morning, dear students. Now, welcome to 7th class General Science. Now, in this class, we discuss about basic nature. Okay, students? Basic nature. Basic nature means the substances which are soapy to touch. That substances are called bases. Okay, students, now we take the compounds soap and lime water. Now take the soap is put in between the fingers and to gently rub. What happens? You can feel that very smooth and your palms are easily to sleep. And also, and to touch lime water, how can you feel? Okay, the substances, they are soapy to touch. The substances are called bases. Okay, students? Okay, the substances which are soap to touch or soapy to touch. Such substances are called such substances are called bases. Okay, bases. Okay, my students, the substances which are soapy to touch. The substances which are soapy to touch, such substances are called bases or basic in nature. Different substances, they have different bases. For example, we take the substance glass cleaners. Substances, first now take glass cleaners. Glass cleaners. What the name of the base is present in the glass cleaners? Okay, what is the name of the base? Ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium ammonium hydroxide. Okay, students? What the name of the substance? Glass cleaners. What the name of the base is the present in it? Ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide. Glass cleaners. And next one. And next one is that soaps. Second one is soaps. What the name of the base? Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide. Soaps. What the name of the base is present in it? Sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide? Sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide is present in soaps. And third one is lime water. Lime water. What the name of the base is present in it? Present in it. Lime water. Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Name the base is present in lime water, calcium hydroxide. And fourth one is milk of magnesium. Milk of magnesium. Milk of magnesium. What the name of the base is present in it? Magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. Okay, students? Milk of magnesium hydroxide. Okay, once again, the substances which are soapy to touch, such substances are called bases. Okay, different substances, they have different bases. For example, glass cleaners, this substance has the base ammonium hydroxide. Next one, soap, that substance which has the base is sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Third one is lime water. This substance, it has the base calcium hydroxide. Next one is milk of magnesium. The substance, it has the base magnesium hydroxide.